Cool, man. Respect. Levi Root's the Dragon Slayer. Now, we all know when we go to parties and people offer us coleslaw, and we love coleslaw, but it's always full of gunk of mayonnaise and salad cream, and we always think about our hips and thinking that, how the hell are we going to get rid of that? Now, I've come up with a coleslaw that doesn't use any mayonnaise or salad cream, guys, and this is absolutely one of my favorite recipes of all time, so join me in this one, because it's fabulous. So we've got a bowl here. The first thing I'm going to use is make a nice sauce for our coleslaw. So let's get some stuff in here. I need some brown sugar, and I've got some demerara sugar. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoonfuls of demerara sugar in, each spoonful, maybe 3. You know what Levi Root style is like. And that goes in. Next, I'm gonna put in a little bit of olive oil. In it goes. Ah, lovely, nice. Then I need some cider vinegar, a little bit of cider vinegar in there, doesn't do any harm, about the same. That's fantastic. And where's my mustard? Oh, here it is. Now you can use any mustard that you want, you know, English mustard is great, like this one is fine. French mustard is also better. Dijon mustard with the bits of grains and stuff, I love that. But I think for the moment we'll use this lovely Hellman's. Okay, let's get 2 of those in, nice and lovely. Put that to the side. Then next, yes, Lord of mercy. Bust it open. It should start singing at you guys. And you can do like that, or you can go like that. It's up to you how you want the taste. Not too much, because you're going to save some later on for the chicken wings that goes with the coleslaw. So, okay, so let me twirl this baby up here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you can see this, because this is going to be absolutely wonderful. You'll be saying a coleslaw, no mayonnaise, no salad cream. Wow. This is what you're going to taste. Brilliant. So just give it a twirl for a couple of minutes just to break down the sugar, break down the mustard. It's absolutely essential that you do that. Maybe a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt in there, not too much. You don't really need that much in this. Yeah. And just give it a little bit of taste, as I love to do. Oh my God, amazing. Absolutely amazing. Oh yes, just release that sugar just a little bit more, just to break it down. You need to do that, otherwise you're not gonna get the proper taste. So next I'm gonna bung in there now with some red onions. And I've got some here that we chopped up a little bit earlier. Nice and thin. If you have a mandolin, it would be great, but if not, just do some nice thin slithers. I'm gonna put these in just to create more flavors. And chilies, where are my chilies? Here are my chilies. Nice and chopped, there you go. Put these in. Guys, don't forget, it's a coleslaw, but it's a bit different. It's not your normal, it's a dub-wise coleslaw. Put that down there. Now, if I wanted a bit of heat, because we know that these chilies are not particularly hot. If you did want it to be spicy, like, oh, I like it, because if you're not going to make it spicy, don't invite me around for tea. So let's get some scotch bonnet in there, shall we? And I'm going to chop this one, just one of this, just so you know it's real. Let me move it over. There you go. I'm just going to just to make sure that we get a little bit of Caribbean zing in there. There you go. Get rid of that bit there. We've got some nice ones here. The seeds are not in, so it's probably not going to be that hot, guys. Okay, let's get that in there. And give it a twirl, just to merge that together. Lovely. Now we reach for the main part now. We've got some cabbages. 2 kinds of cabbages. I've got some Savoy and some ordinary cabbages. I'm just going to just bang it in just to so it mops up that lovely juice that we've got. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. Make lots of this, put it in the fridge and just eat a lot. When I'm eating this, I just have this on its own, guys, you know. It's so good. Another kind of cabbage in there. It's going to be nice and crunchy. There's nothing like a nice crunchy cabbage, but it's got to taste fabulous. You know what cabbage is like when it doesn't taste good. So, okay, so let's merge this cabbage. Oh, guys, this is awesome. I hope you can see this. Oh, I love this. Give it a nice twirl. Once you've coated all the cabbage, you know you're nearly there because there's one more big trick that I've got up my sleeve for you. Not gonna leave you hanging, guys. Okay, it's summer and I'm sweating, so let's wipe away some of this sweat. Oh, God. It's hard being a chef, guys, you know, preparing the food for you, sweating away. Come on. Okay, that's looking lovely. Now for your final trick for this fabulous Caribbean coleslaw, and I've got it here for you. It's this baby here. The mango. Jamaica has 11 different varieties of mango, and I've got my own trick in how I can get, and this knife has got pepper on it. I'm going to change it, how to get in the seed. So I'm just going to just cheek the mango like that one time, and then I'm going to cheek it like that 2 times. And now it's the fun bit, is to get an ordinary glass like that, because I want a nice piece of mango out without peeling it. I'm just going to just put the glass there, and I'm just work it through, and I've got an empty, and I've got a nice piece of mango here ready to manipulate and cut in the way that I want. I know you're shouting, do it again, Levi. I'm going to do it again for you, but just to show you how nice and easy it is to cut the mango after you do that. So no fidge now. Okay, let's do it again. Just so you see, glass in the left hand, mango in the right. Just to make a little incision there. Look at that. That's what you need to do. And then to put it back in there. And just to gently work it through. Work it through. There you go. Skin in one hand. That goes in the bin. And you get a nice, lovely piece of mango. Ready to cut. Oh! Oh! Into slithers of mango, and this is what's going to make the coleslaw nice and special. Leave the pieces big so you can really enjoy it. Don't cut it up too fine, and it looks better in the coleslaw as well. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, guys. Oh, if this is not my favorite, I don't know. Look at that. That's the coleslaw for you. No mayonnaise, no salad cream, but just as delicious, and I'll prove it to you. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, the reggae sauce, the cider vinegar, the cabbage, the red onions, everything is just like bursting, creating a party in your mouth, and you're like thinking, wow, I can't wait to have some chicken wings with this. So, chicken wings, please. Here's one I did earlier, as we said in Blue Peter. So there you go. It's lovely and marinade, ready to go on the barbecue, because our coleslaw is waiting for this. So let's put some on. Nice and lovely.